Namaskar. Healthy weight loss is difficult. Many people say that. So, today I am going to share a healthy breakfast plan which will help you to reduce weight. Breakfast plays a very essential role in weight loss, and now you will discover how. Nutritious and healthy recipes will prevent you from eating unnecessarily, and you will feel very much satiated till lunchtime. Day 1, Power packed protein dish. This power packed protein recipe will ensure you to lose weight. Soak half cup of Kabuli chana overnight and boil it in a pressure cooker. Take about 2 cups of thick poha and wash it in a running water in a sink. In a pan, take 1 teaspoonful of oil. Once it is hot, add cumin seeds. Add onion to it and cook it until it is soft. Now add 1 chopped tomato and turmeric powder. Saute it for 1 minute and then add Kabuli chana. Season it with salt, green chili or red chili as per your taste. Try to keep spices as low as possible to avoid acidity. Add 2 tablespoons of water and mix it well. Add poha and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes with occasional stirring. Switch off the gas and add lemon juice to it. You can also add little sugar to it, but it is optional. Your power packed protein poha is ready. Kabuli chana is a great source of protein, which helps to build and strengthen muscle after the workout session. Whereas poha is a nutritious gluten-free meal. It's high in carbohydrate, iron, fiber. It has even antioxidant and it has essential vitamins. On the second day, make a nutritious bajra, carrot and onion uttapam with tomato chutney and herbal tea. To make the uttapam, you need to soak 1/4 cup of bajra overnight. Next day in the morning, pressure cook the whole bajra and salt for 5 whistles. Once the pressure cooker cools down, add it to the mixing bowl. In the same bowl, add 1 and 1/4 cup of bajra flour. Add green chili and garlic. Add grated carrot and finely chopped onion. Mix it well and then add turmeric powder, salt and lemon juice. Mix it again and then add water to it. Make sure that there are no lumps and the consistency of batter would be of dosa like. Grease the pan with little oil and then spread the batter. Cook it well on both the sides. The key ingredient in this whole recipe is bajra, which is very rich in insoluble fiber, which helps in weight loss, cholesterol reduction and blood sugar control. For a herbal tea, in a saucepan, take a glass of water. Put in 7 to 8 tulsi leaves, mint leaves and 10 stalks of lemongrass. Then add half an inch of ginger and boil it till it becomes half. Here the tea is ready. You can add milk to it. That is your option. Day 3, cabbage paratha. Let's have a healthy cabbage paratha. Finely chopped fresh cabbage or grated cabbage in a bowl. Add 2 pinches of salt and keep this aside for 10 minutes. Now, squeeze out all the excess water from the cabbage. Take 1 cup of whole wheat flour and add cabbage to it. Season it with red chili powder or finely chopped green chilies. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Add 2 teaspoonful of oil and mix all the ingredients. Once mixed, add water and make a soft dough. Divide this dough into equal balls and make paratha. On the skillet, put ghee on both the sides of paratha and cook it well. Cook till it is golden brown in color. Accompany paratha with chutney. I am sure you will love this recipe and include it in your diet. Cabbage has low fat content and a high fiber content. It is also high in antioxidants, including vitamin C and beta carotene, which are very essential for the body. On the 4th day, make this tasty and healthy oats dosa. You can have it either with sambar or tomato chutney. Take half a cup of rolled oats and grind it into a fine powder. Add it into a mixing bowl and now add 1/4 cup of rice flour and 1/4 cup of suji. Add 1/4 cup of curd to it. In that, add your favorite vegetables like grated carrot, capsicum, onion, etc. Season it with green chili, ginger and garlic paste and cumin seeds, black pepper powder and salt. Add water and make it into a batter. Keep this batter aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, just check the consistency and add water accordingly. Grease the pan with the oil and make a circular shaped dosa. Oatmeal is a low calorie, high fiber, even high protein food. Protein is essential in building muscle mass while burning the fat. Do not make chutney out of coconut because coconut contains fat, and if you want to lose weight, then that will go against it. Fifth day, wholesome chila with herbal tea. Take a cup of green moong dal and soak it overnight. Next day, grind this soaked moong dal with half an inch of ginger. Take it into a bowl and add water to make it into a nice batter. Season it with black pepper powder and salt for taste. Make a medium-sized chila on a hot pan with very little oil. Moong dal chila is loaded with dietary fiber that improves metabolism. It keeps you satiated for long and reduces hunger craving. It is also a good source of protein, which is a very important macronutrient and supports weight loss and muscle gain. Sixth day of breakfast could be quinoa upma. This is the best weight loss recipe. In a non-stick kadai, heat 2 teaspoonfuls of oil, add mustard seeds until it crackles, then add isofodita or hing to it. Then add green chili, ginger and curry leaves. Saute some raw peanuts for a minute. Saute the onion and then saute carrots and peas. Add half a cup of quinoa. Saute for 1 minute. You can add some chili powder and salt for taste. Add about 2.5 cups of water. Cover it and cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. Have this quinoa upma in your breakfast with herbal tea. Quinoa has high protein, has insoluble fiber and healthy fat content, and all this helps to speed up metabolism and keep you feeling energized. Higher the metabolism rate, higher the number of calories you burn during activity as we all rest. Now, 7th day of breakfast, weight loss idlis. On day 7, have this very tasty idli made from the healthiest ingredients. Take about half a cup of instant oats and dry roast for 2 minutes. In a pan, heat the oil and add half a teaspoon of mustard seed. Once they start to flutter, add few curry leaves. Then add chana dal, broken cashew nut and saute it till golden brown. Take 1 medium onion and finally chop it and add it along green chili, salt, turmeric powder, hing, coriander leaves and saute for a minute. Switch off the gas. Now to the pan, add dry roasted oats, 3/4 cup of ragi flour, 1 cup of water and mix well. Make the batter of thick consistency. Cook the idlis in the steamer for about 10 to 12 minutes. Switch off the gas, let it settle and then scoop out the idlis with spoon. You can have idlis with cucumber chutney or you can have sambar or herbal tea. Healthy and tasty oats recipe will surely ensure that you stick to your weight loss routine while enjoying delicious meals. I'm sure this 7 days breakfast schedule will help you to start your weight loss journey on a healthy note. You will not compromise on your taste buds and you will not compromise on your diet too. So follow this wonderful breakfast recipe and see its magic happening to you. Also make sure that you stay consistent with your eating pattern, exercise routine and your lifestyle habits to attain the ideal weight which you are aiming for. Namaskar.